CEO okatachi nankasa akwasi agimai e wo fidua mu ha ene ye ba bedin nkomo afa visa on arrival binumu enti saadnasia ene papa ba bechechiri mu amiehu visa on arrival ase ne sendie ene no ma edida kwan mu a ebema obi firi ne man so ba Ghana ha no ma obetimi afa ne passport no ba bedru Ghana ha no mu na odru immigration a otimaje ne visa na chese otime ra Ghana ha sei na eye ye beka afa ensrahwe ho asem ene ye ba beka mema na kwa ba na Amerigo be mu a ye ne no asoso Abrokyire Nkomo katachi mu akwa ba
akatachi me joso
we can say in senior in school in senior in broadcasting senior
no senior be
senior
mobile juma
katachi also mobile juma yo katachi we dey emre no ntino we bibi na macho because me say for tourism ade bia edisikaba oman mu pa na say titi say nana ye wofa ye bibia ye ndihye Dr. Kwame Nkrumah baby a yakra no kama mode hyehyɛ yegu form ekokrakra ho sa ye new face ama say motimefi 30,000 and 30 million skano na so say
30,000 35,000 actually
35,000 Ghana cedis and a move call in about 100 and so beboa.
As you said, number 1 million.
So times 3 and not times 4.
More.
They say tourism no a home here a discover bray. Papa, what say your authority be na more authority so.
Me that say na me chia be fa kwenya so achia etiefo nyina. Am say tourism authority no na parliament apassemra to establish the authority no my ahwodin and I say juma si enye juma no you won be 4 areas edikan regulation of the industry you can regulation say oba be see hotel oversee restaurant oye chop bar oye beer bar oye tour operations oye car rental Nina no your na oba near my license now they are operating. It's a license to operate in the industry, no, and no kind of standards and quality assurance. Ejuma ye no. Any wo ejuma bako marketing, promotion, marketing no, and no a promotion of the destination. Any all those things no. Say a ton mine no. I'm a ho about mine no, and also share say. And I will be a friend of product development. Say I'm say. Nyama nyakopo dauruma odi amayen fan tourist sites attractions yenhwe kwan a yebetumi improve upon them the product development and investment the actual investment about industry nim and also adwuma yeye and finally your research monitoring and evaluation yes ade bia want to me measure no want to mean enton yeah nti measure kwan ye fast improvement eba industry nim nipa say na employ more industry nim when eba infa no mo free ba omo ba sika say no mo spend okroma say na hye bi o ho a o say de to kwama na de ato nti sa na man nan na tourism authority ye di echi ye wo esa wo nema friend support services this administration HR ne sa na man no but your 4 operational areas no and amabodi no product development quality assurance marketing and research monitoring and evaluation.
Right, because that's the Chief Executive Officer or Ghana Tourism Authority in Abrokyire Nkomo. Na said yes, can they share a visa on arrival. Na ya kasa visa assembly senka Ghana Tourism Authority. E ka visa assembly kidim say immigration for foreign affairs for ejuma. Modie musi
say your bibia or tourism your friend access to destination. Say kwa be dey betumi ama access to the destination no ay easier. You can access na e bia airline. Kwan ya nipa be fa so aba aircraft eba airlines. Nti obeka say airlines ne kay transport for ejuma. Nso eni omu na di isaso. Ne nam ne esre business airways mo fa flight ni bi nka ho ne nam Caribbean yes Caribbean airlines wo want to remember Ghana nti say and directly under us there, but adwuma na and I'm say access no here nti e won susa so adwuma ye no nti ba no visa sabi wakọ Abrokyire wakọ ton Ghana ya bodewuro ya advert e wo CNN BBC na nipa ne ka kire say me ko e menya visa me ko gina ho Ghana wo ko pe visa den 6 weeks now sankai 3 weeks now sankai obekọ na say hadwe nti no sanya no although any ma visa no hu hia man because nipa na ye person mobile man mu no afi your target ye 1.2 million
1.2 million
visitors na say 1.2 million visitors na do one na free ye ntumi nya visa o kwa eche fi say ye sanye man nyina nipa so na ye adwuma wo no ho nti kwa American embassy Ghana embassy wo Washington staff wo that staff no o ma ka kire say application say ba no also first no mo ye 100 visitors a day. Since you're 300, in Tama, Niamana Abigu almost pressure bed almost right. Brunia sober, pressure bear more, Tidia never faso. Into visa on arrival is to ease the access. Say, Queen Beba, Queen Beba, na Nipan peso about my moi, ombre, or find a passport, no a trap ticket, no ba, or drew airport. I hold your same immigration for hobby. Yeah, I read no man to mobile, no man visa no. Into acquire visa on arrival. Near Shapan and say bedroom paper, so be a near free visa. And as a bedroom paper, so be a na ka visa on arrival and pa na etiho afibo. Yeah. Into Sankuta who dear no, ye Fifni, ye Ministry of Transport, Ministry of Foreign Affairs, any Ministry of Interior, right. And I hear this right.
You must say service on arrival. And yet, Sebi, Abrofu per se, but Ghana for no be kuta a foreign passport. Na me a home a dancer na se ma di a home Jumebia from a year Italy, Namcoy, from Vicenza, Echo Room. It take you almost about 9 hours. It one take about 2 days. I won't mean Italy. Most of the time, as I said, foreign affairs they try on the e-visa system near Nino. I feel no more migrating Kakaya crack on me. Obo also be a 2 weeks or the Kotume myself or Kai. 80 service on arrival a started date bay. Say, million be person or back or china or come one that date bay number the chassis.
The chassis free the 1st of December. Now, kwa kupi 15th of January 2024. Into for the period of 46 days.
46 days.
Yeah. And I must because any kind of mono foreign affairs for say they are going to come up with an e-visa platform. I say you bomb pay idea. So by first quarter of next year, there be a normal visa.
Right.
And you know, when they say the proper
right.
Now it will go to the e-visa and I know they all apply online. What would them are not response number?
Right.
Now response number, what's happening?
Right.
It is our system in the EP. But in your yeah, the way be proper kwem.
Right. Now in your I do a proper kwem no. Obi bebusa say of a kwan be so and obe far. Obetima baby because airlines no e be try say bia show your visa with the rec room or and I say document a say oh yeah no mo ochim say.
So share communicate no ye issue no mutu. First one ankasa free Ministry of Transport. Because airlines need now civil aviation as it.
Yeah.
Civil aviation is Ministry of Transport as it.
Yeah.
Into more issue to all airlines so more and update your system. It could be all requirements to the destination or our system so.
Right.
Into when you update your system on there. Udru checking kanta. Ubi able to Ghana you can go. Ghana you can go. Ghana you can go. Right. And no something na the announcement about now. Now omwenya mre and I update almost system before 1st of December. Because 1st of December no year next week.
Yeah.
And last week here by mono me sure say airlines ni nya. Any airlines board so e din kuta ho say omo making sure say the systems are updated. Until when the enkoba say obedru airport to be near catch say I didn't hear ready because they have enough time to update their system. And the so as an interested party, yen na ye dimu akotene say mummy and family no. Yen so any mudin kuta ho to make sure say sad no e system no.
Right. This is me man necessary flat gate na mo bie no outside no eye Abrokyire mu ho no. Say e ba be choku Kotoka International Airport ha say. And also more can say because when say there were so many booths for the fairly say immigration for no. But airlines need to be share from this time to be say 8 o'clock no be for airlines to be share na what took na almost 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 for the arrival of that visa no and also provision be na mo dey to ho no mo
wo hwa neman we be assistant airport first na ka ofele card
immigration card
and no free ho nti eno ye one way easy congestion okay in a visa on arrival na order that where wo ho ne say we be apply pre-approval and samaba nti omo be bia boots be 7 or say 8 me many of you kakra
and the minute bakan emu 3 ya makofa ya mo pass for
okay this boots no order that nti to bo abekọ na ebie ba akopẹ because nipa na eba na beje vision arrival na
no so
but see ade we ni ba ye de krata akoma comptroller general eye oratachi say omo hwe
no I mean chia no hey I salute boss
I also salute to chief nti omo miem na nipa no dudu na ba enkoye how ema omo nti mi wa rehemu say the notice has come early enough omo betumi a prepare na niema no atumi akọ ma niema to yi nti bedru 1st December aye fiada no na say obi ba already you don't fill the form nti no you good but mama ba wo kra o Ghana card wo say wo kan say yenua no bebre wo Abrokyire mu kra other passport wo ba na wo kra Ghana card eno no so kra other passport eno de wo nya visa kra wo we more or less wo kra wo Ghana nti eno no for no be free mu na mama ba wo pay visa no uduru ho a ukodi live kakra
watch my journey so they say akwa say baby a problem ni papa na ye Germany Holland and Austria so 3 countries we no muntimi kuta dual because of German for them place obi because I feel no more say ombe chasa adi mama afi obetime kuta dual okay next obi of free German friends say UK France and Italy near no kuta Ghana card no on crowd will do on our easy to pass.
They say with the only problem.
With the problem.
With
but the only be no kuta you know I feel no because system no more.
I feel no system. No answer went down would draw all right or no I could the line so. But send them akano. Ye ne mpanyefo di nkuta ho say process no be fast. Ama ye na bibia akọ 101.
Right. Production mo hwe na mo frɛ marigold number na ma me line drop here most am friend ma me na I think say my kidnap no roadside baby papa yes ambra said okay processing no and then me nko embassy ho enko nkoje visa na membra na me duru ha no ma visa fee no say
visa fee no the CCR no all along it's been $150
right
CCR no ye nim penifo di nkuta ho ahwe kwan be ye bibia fa but $150 no eno na wo ho CCR
me tell me business was Europe for no omo kotua ye na omo na Europe and countries ni bi wo ha omo visa fee no different from other but now so omo be gin wo arrival and standard of $150 it's na fe na obe ye sesan wo ha na so do one and na e be equivalent in cities
equivalent in cities but un say more POS into card the crowd then the dollars the crowd to all the dollars into no whatever currency I think they will be able to take it
right and now say me kuta euro no so so
they say convertible
okay no much change okay all right I think say no so be easy almost transport kakra because na ma bo nipa ni bi
because we ha Italy asema okay because maybe I call maybe move from Napoli omo basa we for train in and out nkwana I spend about $500 you know say we €500 you use any money in every one oba ubeduru han wajo
and if you move to another country and a back so we have a Belgium see a brief Luxembourg and near in a beba hono muntino yes na omo na transport no ebe ye na nothing say na visa on arrival no mo man nye and travel die
san ye hwehwe no but
so be boy yo
say you started di hundwuma no a check akra but na you say visa no be ready but onu say no so ye
you
know enya man no ye di we abetum nti ye hwe nim say January dru na ye hwe kwan say ye call na the data no to a and ye also ye fa ho na so ye tumi ni panyufo aka na ya fa ho
ye ne chief executive officer Ghana Tourism Authority yen papa Okatechie Akosi Ajiman ena ye di nkomo afa visa on arrival omo asoye e di akoto Foreign Affairs Ministry Interior Ministry any transport said the bear yenuanom a iframa no ne a ye pesa omo bansrahwe e wo hase no be omo hihye ho aye hare because be bi obi wa be 5 free e bia ne region and say na yakọ embassy one ma ko take be 2 weeks and 3 weeks agene visa aba no ene wo fa ne passport na no oba but ye kire say enye afebo e from 1st December to 15th January me boana
okay
right
it's 15 January 2024
it's just 46 days and no more see ho na ye security wise and so more when they say
se bambo hu hia se we say security considerations ni na ka service asem no ho because we ba be mu no na kwan be na wo be ensure say nipa body for emfa no home fm ntini na ye de national security omu nyina ka sa conversation no eno na nche no national security any Ghana police service e de omu ho ahye this year December NGH program na ye yenum pa so ura dampare ye be bona baso ono afre yen and all the event organizers before then no afre creative as for ni na so aba se kwa be ne hin na be fa so a events amobeye we have about 188 events bambo ebekoso ho. What are the security considerations and ra ye ne ye ayifo hoteliers in national security kwan ben na ye be fa so a hotels bibia nipa ba nema ekoso ho ni nyina no they can monitor and ensure say bibia ankobone nti we are very confident say bambo no asem no be
easy amaye bambo ehu hia me papa because so moko embassy hall my documentation wise near you know egu akwan mu near you know a passport say most of the passports because of fingerprints ne a friend is saying some of the ukra no omko use
so many what is shame even in the US now saying I'm saying answer on buy any say oh bakra passport cry and share what when you share you know na o data number nti technology no aba eboa
omo try me back ho Frankfurt
ma when you know send your when you dey no cry me sure say technology no bet me achi when you know
because na kelem for me di akensi bia na me ninja 1% be flight to Germany and no be see no say Charlie my flight to
Germany if you sense
and I'm no more and say that will be the passport tell her no afem no ko e ma me try me almost try me so there Charlie me dey try I be na me gina ho ade mi
hey asema to
no say ka e ade a eni no ne nam na kawo ya ka he ade abefo akɔhye dem ha so say opede wa asem no nyina ni eti no jo katachi ye besa ba ho no so kakra ma me na ahaya Asempa 94.7 so fo kwakwa makwa Akonta jo papa ye samu akwa babio said the law can about career and migration. We said the more can migration be no near say be about Hanmo about being slash any Ubi Kafa Hokakra.
I said you man on wood manager and see evidence say one so mass because I won't say Mebuno Pepe Pejuma Mebuno Pepe Pebia Obi wa Pebia so nya a foot for who baby on Franco then I may call career choices. Obi fi say oh connection man bi no akogine sika na o de ne konam eposo no mo na manoma nti we de the whole plane am say ye ma me marry go wakasa fine obi atiase we feel say once we can create opportunities for the young ones career path no e define ye nyina say technology na reni nti aba na TVET ne sa ne mana aban dia tokwan no am say nyina fa
any STEM no
STEM no say you never boa your school no your school no you feel be cheap or pass and forget nti yer mu bi o ha nam sa ye twen last minute exam so ba ni akochi ni apo ni pass
e bi na me ye ya be tie
ba hu na say adina mo won shed anti ase ehunu se na ye work out ba uko other places are yeah nyakopa dawo nya akwenya ko to aso no hwanya le utimu se educational curriculum no se na ye kire wade no very practical into we wie no na nema no bi wo ha very very practical say enya afi na ye behwe se obetumi ya summarize ade de nyina wo trim ipa uti no nya yi se se calculator first wo ko classroom ye se fa calculator nko and then so calculator ne de yes computer Excel also.
Yes.
And in Nipa no person 35 times 474. Of on chimuni to no find I didn't so computer bit me amount.
Oh.
Now of focus okay, so 35 times 400 and then wunya a year. I don't hear. Inti say you better must say European
Ghanaian European Center.
I mean, I call me who said dining war
ministry next
this week, my 12 hours. And I
Marigold.
I'm quite and say, I'm with you now. I said, and so because even within the tourism industry, we share the number of people now saying, conforming by say, on the summer of Ghana for no more call cruise ships. So, who's a cruise ships be bringing and I'm sure.
Yeah.
You are ship here, probably 500, 300 staff.
Yeah.
On my no. Yes. Now if I need to
because
the penny be very hotel, restaurant, and only practical training.
Okay.
Oh, only qualification be.
Yeah.
And yes, university qualification. But the panel, the panel be a restaurant near that town. Hotel also be winya bank Juma Mekwakoye. Winya idea, Benkoye hotel Juma Hakra. Into what say the skill set on you. Inti training no here. Inti me ameba for because the industry no see here maybe I also any omoye to train the youth, to train the people, not necessarily for cruise ships alone, but even locally. Customer service training. Hotel, any pandemic we share. This week say any security, national security for a meeting. One of the issues that came up, celebrities here by Ubu or per se. Hana Obana say about holiday. One mama to you, one mama ye.
Obejina
home. Okura hotel was a who chapter and almost said, this guy is here, this guy is here. To all of a sudden, Nipan officer,
Obe hiding on
Wakrano. Now, Dabonti, Nipan be Abuchi. Return me one day, one of the celebrities, but we had to call in police because hotel lobby hall who a chain a transport stadium, Akotokone has a ball. I want Boma.
Obia person only could trap picture.
Nipan so
Obejina home.
One man so I can say, watch it. Celebrities,
I think, say, you see, and then through a union and Abishia Pepe person can say, or more, you know, me training, no, a beboa a tourism, no, any normal be. Papa, I'm back to where, you know. Question be a Godfred Ado Diaba, or say UK, or mutia $60, £60, and okay, or say which is $78, so no, they were honor. Na ye bet you 150 wa ha ne you know. I think say o chire bibi mo na e bia wanti ase. Baby obe free obe call. The refinite transport.
All the processes.
And the processes you
na obe mail but 150 ne ya dey
a standard wa ha. Yeah.
Na me kan Nkomo dey because so. Inyan to jani ntimi ntimi ka bibia but we sure say e bia be hu bibi. Ye ni penifo akasa say ye hwe say na e betumi because nye ononko. Baby o ha omutu ya $75 euros very but let's look at the cost of convenience.
Yes,
cost of convenience. So sorry,
transport to who from because say Godfred who he fan our in UK near say from there to Highgate because our Manchester
every crowd be off that day no
I was off
into inconveniences in the but 150 near there standard rated out. And we are by
and look next week me kwa confirm what I say.
Okay.
I just say me the 150 nation butum come out
quickly
because I have to write the invitation on behalf of her. Because all year exams we are that day now I saw Bagana no it na send me facilitating for my ready but one thing is that me say on the first you move be flat date
to your visa fee but and no we catch us I go to Saturday but one moment 3 and no cheaper and I go to I see almost $600 because mainly if you have a FedEx near the now you FedEx say and now we have expedited service
and also so
expedited
and all can mean you back we be I want here say express
okay express
yeah bro no
unsa yeah school e the tree that bro and then everybody can expedited
Santa's Cowboys
unsa
well your chief executive officer or Ghana Tourism Authority NAD Nkomo about visa on arrival omo EDC was from 1st December, which is a week ahead of us here. Ekosi 15th January 2024. Omo bie said the beya akwansra adwumanum emu bebie na yenya more visitors because bebre person omo ba, but from where they are now mbeko ebia embassy akɔgye visa na ba saa holidays we no ama binumu enantia yentia sisi yeni say ya ebema omunantie na aye short ama omunti omune airlines ni na didi nkomo ama sisi no bibia atona kwem say from 1st December to January 15th 2024 oba Ghana no aso afa passport so ye Ghana ni no kuta foreign passport so ye bruni na opesa oba o mun kanche ye nuan mabrofo ni bi opesa oba o mo visa na bia o niska be abrofo so bebre pepe o
hey anya grow
visa keke anya grow o ti be visa fee ni keke no se na mema
nti ye di hu nkomo
right ye di hu nkomo ye na ye hia akwansra no pa
ebeboa because Ghana no nyankopon che ya de countries bi bre ene Dubai omani abre perforce si Saudi Arabia almost see new city almost friend in New City other countries name omo ye no we dey ya amre
nyankopon na mayi
beachfront da beach kwaya yo kakum mole bebre ankasa bebre ebano force and castles o say ho asem kana ya na asifim kakra de nanso 75% of force and castles are on the sea or coast of Africa or Ghana.
Social media mo fa you know to ma me be the video bi ma mo Kotoka International Airport arrival hono na nkofo hunu say sa area ha na e ka omudura immigration for no visa on arrival hono no mbeko akwakoje
enti o sha nyema no nyame dia che enti omamu no nyina no o hwe yema panyin na Akufo Dubai any say ordinary tourism for the first time this year you had presidential summit on tourism. We see that offer operators in nipa e coin e be 350 e wo pediasi lodge osimomra we have it them normally a program aka president oba na kwa beka opening speech no ko we do trem throughout you know tie comment eba complaints among for the ba momo kan ye say o say tourism no person shemu kina na we so awaye we launch year of return o she domo e be go krom ha they say you will beyond the return nipa no ba na eba until me feel say ka sa nyama we nyina no e ade a protocol say make say it should be a given say visa there other countries so many shit kra no they say money ambre o hwe say na Rwanda fo any ambre tourism pa also she no apart from gorilla 1 or 2 beer na mo nti ye was ane ma nyina butterfly wa
Sarah father one picture back no video back no so to ma me I think so na who immigration for ni ye omugo pa omo boy djuma
e besre immigration for wabo mo di dia say eni ebe no e hye domo da omo hwe na process no nye smooth na enkoba se nipa be pile up ho na afide say na afide be ba na me di 1 hour wallahi mo ni ade I know say the numbers we will get them. People are eager to come to Ghana. People are eager to visit the motherland through Ghana. Inti yenso any tour operators, any hoteliers, any car rental for any omuna ye twen
but car rental for ya mo hwe omo ye almost so ya na security wise na binumu de sikasem ha omo ene minim nipa me no omo so omo fa omo sana they try to say omo charge omo
okay okay
omo obo officer onya advantage officer odi nipa na ba onya tremu no kwa de ade 20 year kra obakra ho year of return no uba page was say that ho no say time omo ba no ne ne ho na ma me record omo a me this video na beto ha no
to Facebook
live kwa Asempa obehu ni sisi a Asempa 94.7 me dey ato ho sisi ahaya Asempa 94.7 muso foko kwa makwa obehu airport Kotoka International Airport the way Ghana for abedu aho na bedu a said e check nkata asem ne you know ni na na ye ka sisi no obedu a visa free ukuta foreign passport or the no say ultra airline ticket no udru airport or airline no on their system no be who say oko Ghana there you don't need a visa to go na mum no enye free say udru ha so na utwa free o uba betua visa fee no e Ghana $150 eti no apewa de uni dollars na so equivalent in cedis a udru ha no ma rate no that day no rate no mo de check na say rate no be stand still
that day Bank of Ghana Bank of
Ghana right and no mo de be adwuma eti udru ha $150 and abetua a flat rate so baby am okay check your area what so be for train and na be for bus hours abedi abekwa apply for all this no put everything together as a year ubetua 150 na eti wo bre so eti wo stress so eti bibia so betima ko adwuma that day na wo ba no call airport off our plane no ba bedu eti yenhwe se de esika no obetimi afre wo question bi bisa yen papa 030 221 6545 and 030 221 6546 utimi frɛ na wo question bi ana say ososo wo adwenkyere bi ana bibi wo ho no mo a opese wo de boa ema Ghana insahwe no ekɔ nanim a eno ehun komo na yedin 030 221 6545 and 030 221 6546 messages ni bibre wa ha me kan e wa ha but normally me in fact didi enye me program Bernard Brown was a good evening and then Bernard Brown was a nice program yen koso na yenye adwumapa ema o my Ghana saso na eye how be you now I say how be you course ne ba mo famra Bernard Brown or say or share free Spain can say na Spain ye no mo so kita hudie pa o Ghana fogu ho kaje Ghana for Spain so no chale omugo pa
o she boy na FM she na me she you know the video now the tour na me she yeah Ghana for Spain
yeah
Madrid and Cuba ko
Valencia
omugo pa omugo now she say Valencia for to mu na Madrid na visa
yes
ashe
e bi kra ko Barcelona ayi kra ko no man hu say on say bibia wo capital bebre nim say that all the capitals so na oba ko je no consulate no say because Germany say bi nua ba ko kai say oh na so Hamburg kra betima ko consulate no ha say na pa ko je no class ko Berlin
no asim
wo dru Berlin adan ya ho ne be ne ntema ma me bia ha no ma fa anko ye wo sa mentality no ho no but it's for the day o
and ya ko ye ko Napoli ni omo Ghanaian community ko din komo omo o say omo ejadifo so ho pa
o say ho na business e pa na say omo mo ko fa paboa ne leather goods ne ye na ceramic no yeah
they were complaining say visa issue no a major one for them
yeah.
I think say we dey the way you from akwam na ye dey ye be dey akiri am make sure say visa na beba na no ba na say feed am na much easier because visa na dey more or less what tell them we should call a platform so now the information go within a certain number of hours now reply about
yes
now over right they now go to visa on arrival
because they binom ka say I think say be the be free nka question you about ko send about say the officer is free nka kakra so bo am Ghana economy ni konani but any free over be visa
said any free but we will get to a point
yeah yenhwe ufana say bia bibi wo hono ma bia memusa wa pesa wo ka
am say meda say ne kwanya odi aman ya me say wo program no so me ba na me tie comment na me hwe comments na beba na na say yenu anu mo amanone tie pa
yeah
omusu na ye target group for international arrivals o sha na say ye dan team kakra ebi mo ha mo ma mo ho they don't feel like they are Ghanaian, and, you know. Holidays, no more call France, no more call Disney, no more call. They see idea. You fuck when you swam who say Ghana. I had that. Brunei, you're about 180 plus events I endorse so nti bibi a opese o ye Ghana ye say bro ye na o ye 24 hours back to back ye begie ni nti no obi amra ni je no so nye say ni je keke ye ni je adi sika eba okru hotel fo benya omo de car rental fo benya omo de cocoa sellers watch sellers be have dokro for night market we have a call
na brown rice for so yes dey ho
is a
kwen
for
so am ejom ho dey
so kwen no dey ezo anu ye dey kuto dey kuto ko family dey
ye pe di no ne yi ye pe kuto no
na what did that jollof da
lady need the people yes lady need the people
Ghana you wadi o
the name fine papa
that jollof the late John Sabu Alasan he so rest in peace ono introduce me to that jollof today be am call fie o mamobi now corner sentinel that one sentinel ba never Ghana dey be say we nyina fa ho shim say ahoho ba ya wa ha nyina let's join forces and let's have fun na nyina yen kambu niema Ghana enye krabehwe because this is the only country we have ana yakopon dey ba yakopon so also we are the salt of the earth into the aba hide there na also chechire kuro no e ma ne yi ntimi da obi bia se tiefo nyina comment amodi aba adwenchira amodi aba ni nyina ide be ko adwempem ne nso ya ye kakra ye betumi aye e de abo aye mai medamasi
na onum say December Mecklin Hotel so live band a bohot in
well say you can say this year the program or yen Kumasi Samini 24th or yen Rich Condos in also ejada ho West Side Carnival Takra the programs no Tadi first Potomanto Culture One or Tamale Bebre Akra yi akrasi guy here my favorite, one of my favorite artists, Fancy Gadan, when you
live on them in
Kateche, we are catching. Over. I don't know, boss. I born one virgin, one virgin.
And then room the Matiba,
no, or to be feeling maybe a boxing, book boxing,
right.
Or feel, common friend Tamale Shatawali.
And I'm below
Nina Cabo, your gospel musicians will be so maybe in a PCS Tamo, your rhythms of Africa, Sonny Badu, almost so you be on the second or UPS. Inti, Yamani will be Obia de Obi in your film. Yakupon and a boy a better Ghana or say, maybe I will boy out to be assassin, Yaman Fifi. Inti yenso dia no nti obi amfa ne ho hyem na yem making sure say ya tie okro yi ho obi a wonum nsuo ntonto abonten yem fa bibia ball a wo yem fa ne man to yi ye be sere assembly for nso ne ma bebre ene pictures aba obi di pictures share yen pokuase interchange wo sha se ho a ne ma ekoso ho de ade nyina nti ye tietie ye be tro ho krata de akoma mpanyefo na ya hwe ma yi ato yi
but as a menu about sending me pictures be from Elmina Castle. I don't know say a yenra picture no de buy na say ene or say omo painting ho no de painting no gugu nti ya hwe ho
ye ne museum for all na show ma say ma me CEO of museum
so no say tourism there
we say tourism there bibia obi ko twedua is tourism obi so kwa to gala say wo ka kum tourism but any na ka ho na so eduma e say be no ye yakofo be ma ya ho de ne dia ye
katechi be there was say enra numero no me ball prum not to because
na ka de che family a South Africa aye bia no Santas cowboy there but that's me
Obama so full of cowboys there
we can go to bro for you
that's me high Asempa 94.7 mosonfo kwakwa manko Akonta and yene yenya mrenya yen papa Katachie Akosi Ajimai CEO for Ghana Tourism Authority yene edi nkomo efa visa on arrival na the woman say visa on arrival enye free visa on arrival enye free $150 when you drew her na eti ubi bia so che say eti ubi bia so obenante free anabefa transport free be a wo akọ be a embassy ni won ye na sai in and out ni stress ni nyina no free where you no abetua 150 na ukọ fie wakọ akọje wa home ahoho no so no ebebo ama bebre aba Christmas is no kind so many events it's moko social media na mbehu or most of the artists ajijiji areas are SSA yakoje and America say 26 and ye commitment Kumasi ye de nyame ho no no eho na legends ye no mu kushia benya Pa Thomas benya most of ayini na ebe ho no na mumra na magimoni